A simple and cheap trick will make cooking easier. The tendon in chicken ruins the taste of the meat. That white tendon looks unappetizing and is a hassle for many home cooks. Instead of struggling to cut it out with a knife, grab a fork. Just place the end of the tendon between the fork's tines, grip it with a paper towel and pull. In just 5 seconds, you'll remove it effortlessly. No mess, no knife needed. It's that easy. Throw this into the pot, and your cabbage won't smell while cooking. Dishes with cabbage are very popular, but the preparation process isn't always so pleasant, especially because of the accompanying smell. However, I'll show you tried and true ways to eliminate unpleasant odors during cooking. You'll get rid of this problem once and for all. Place a piece of bread on top of the cooking cabbage dish. The harder the bread, the better. It'll be easier to remove later. Just remember not to stir the cabbage with the bread. It should always stay on top. Another method, often used by home cooks, involves placing a cloth soaked in vinegar over the lid of the pot. Vinegar is a proven product that effectively neutralizes unpleasant odors. Walnuts are another ingredient that can help when cooking cabbage. Add a tablespoon of ground walnuts to the dish to reduce the emitted smell. The final proven method I'll show you involves coffee. It's no coincidence that coffee is recommended for resetting our receptors when testing perfumes. When your kitchen fills with the intense smell of cooked cabbage, reach for some coffee. Simply place a bowl of it near the pot, and the problem will be solved. You can also use these tricks when cooking other vegetables with strong odors, such as cauliflower, broccoli, or Brussels sprouts. Najczęstsze błędy popełniane podczas gotowania kotletów mielonych, które psują jego smak. Pokażę Ci, jak ich unikać i zrobić pyszne kotlety mielone. Nie używaj gotowego mięsa mielonego. Zmiel w maszynce mięso z karkówki lub łopatki. Z takich mięs mielone wychodzą najsmaczniejsze. Idealnie soczyste, nigdy nie suche. Sekretną proporcją kucharzy jest dodanie mięsa wołowego i wieprzowego pół na pół. Nie mocz bułki w wodzie. O wiele lepiej sprawdzi się do tego mleko. Neutralizuje ono zapachy podczas smażenia. Do masy na kotlety nie dodawaj surowej cebuli, jest zbyt aromatyczna i twarda. Użyj wcześniej podsmażonej cebuli. Nie używaj także bułki tartej. Kotlety będą przez to twarde. Ważne, żeby masę na kotlety dość porządnie wyrobić. Będą bardziej zwarte podczas smażenia ich na patelni. Pamiętaj, aby namoczoną bułkę w mleku dobrze wycisnąć przed dodaniem do mięsa. Gdy mleka jest za dużo, możesz mieć problem z uformowaniem kotletów. Pamiętaj o dodaniu czosnku, wzbogaci smak kotletów. Jest on sekretnym składnikiem, który podbija smak mielonych. Odpowiednia ilość oleju na patelni jest kluczowa. Jeśli będzie go zbyt mało, kotlety będą się przypalać. Ilość samych kotletów na patelni również jest istotna. Zbyt dużo kotletów mielonych na patelni powoduje wytrącanie się wody. This one ingredient is enough to make this trick work wonders. Start by peeling a large orange. You'll only need the orange peel, so enjoy the fruit and save the peel. Place the orange peel in a pot and pour in 500 milliliters of water. Simmer these two ingredients on low heat for a few minutes and bring the mixture to a boil. Next, add a few tablespoons of salt and some baking soda. Continue simmering the mixture for a few minutes. Once done, remove the pot from the stove and let it cool. Meanwhile, in a separate container, pour a small amount of dish soap and a measure of vinegar. Carefully add the cooled orange peel mixture to the container with vinegar. As the two mixtures combine, you'll notice a foaming effect. This is the result of the ingredients reacting together. Prepare a bucket with warm water and add the freshly combined orange and vinegar mixture. This solution works perfectly as a cleaner for laminate floors, and the orange peel leaves your home with a delightful citrus fragrance. Place orange peels on paper. Your home will thank you. Start with one orange. You'll need its peel for this trick. After peeling, let the peels dry for 2 days. Blend the dried citrus peels into a fine powder. Dried peels are rich in essential oils with a refreshing citrus scent that boosts your mood. Take a few sheets of toilet paper and place a small spoonful of the powdered peel on each. Add a pinch of cinnamon, known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, which help keep the air fresh. Roll the paper into small bundles and secure the ends with rubber bands. Place these bundles in your bathroom, wardrobe, and areas you frequent. They'll protect your clothes from moths and add a natural, pleasant scent to your home. These eco-friendly orange and cinnamon sachets are a simple way to keep your space smelling fresh. Fruits and vegetables are strategically placed at the entrance of stores, and it's no coincidence. This is one of many marketing traps set by retailers. You've likely noticed that fresh produce is almost always positioned near the entrance. This tactic is deliberate. Studies have repeatedly shown that people eat with their eyes, and unusual colors or shapes increase the chances of a product ending up in your basket. The same principle applies to fruits and vegetables. Display stands lure you with vibrant colors, shiny skins, and enticing aromas. When you're greeted by a section full of fresh produce as soon as you enter, you're likely to grab a bag and buy more than you can realistically consume. Filling your cart with delicious-looking fruits and vegetables can even make you feel hungry. Shopping on an empty stomach leads to impulsive decisions, making the store seem like a treasure trove of irresistible foods. In reality, this often results in unnecessary spending. Take a piece of toilet paper and place some cheese on it. You won't believe how much it saves. Cheese, especially hard cheese, often dries out quickly in the fridge. That's why, to store cheese properly in your kitchen, you need to follow a few steps. Let me explain them to you. The first step is to immediately remove the cheese from the plastic wrap it was sold in. Cheese needs to be stored in a completely different way. The best container for storing open cheese is a glass container with an airtight lid. These kinds of containers can be purchased in most home goods stores. However, you'll also need some parchment paper or even toilet paper. Wrap the piece of cheese in this paper and place it in the glass container. Then store the container in the fridge. Another method you can use instead is to wrap the cheese in baking paper. The idea is to replace the wax coating that protects the cheese from drying out. Cheese wrapped this way can also be stored in the fridge without a glass container. Try these two methods, and your cheese will stay fresh for much longer. Brew your coffee this way. This unconventional method will let you enjoy the taste of coffee like never before. Coffee is a daily companion for many of us. It boosts energy, and its aroma can instantly lift your mood. While traditional brewed coffee has many fans, coffee grounds settling at the bottom can spoil the experience. Here's a simple and brilliant way to brew coffee without grounds. Using this unique method, you'll rediscover the joy of brewed coffee. Take your favorite mug or cup. Then, prepare a paper towel and tear off a piece. If the towel is thin, use 2 layers. Place the paper towel over the top of the mug and secure it with a rubber band so it fits snugly around the edges. Using your fist, gently press down in the center of the paper towel to create a shallow indent, being careful not to tear it. Add the desired amount of ground coffee into the indent. Pour hot water over it and watch as the coffee filters through the paper, leaving the grounds behind. Carefully remove the paper towel with the grounds. Your mug is now filled with aromatic, ground-free brewed coffee. Try this method next time. You'll be pleasantly surprised.